Welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to pair your Clean Power VFD with the Clean Power VFD app. Let's get started. First, open your Clean Power VFD app and tap Add a VFD. You'll see two options, Setup Online and Setup Offline. In this video, we'll go with Setup Online. If you're looking for the offline setup, check out our tutorial on YouTube. Now tap Next to continue. To pair over Bluetooth, select Bluetooth and tap Scan QR. Now go to your Clean Power VFD's HMI, press the menu button, navigate to Setup Mobile App and tap Pair to start the process. When the QR code appears, use your mobile app to scan it in your phone. Tap Pair and enter the pairing code shown on the Clean Power VFD's HMI, then tap Pair to continue. You'll be prompted with the login page. The username is admin, and the password is unique for each Clean Power VFD, and it is normally the serial number. Tap Done, then Complete, and you're all set. Your Clean Power VFD is now paired and ready for configuration. To pair over Wi-Fi, repeat the same steps and choose the Wi-Fi option. Remember that you need to connect the Clean Power VFD and your phone to the same network before starting the pairing process. And done. Your VFD is now paired. Need help with setup? Check out our next video.